Hey there, future straight-A student. If you're tired of juggling assignments, forgetting deadlines, or guessing your GPA, this is your new academic lifeline. The Student Success Organizer, an all-in-one Notion template built to help you track, plan, and crush your semester without the stress. Let's dive in, starting right here on the homepage. And when you open it, you're greeted with a clean, motivating homepage, your central dashboard for the entire semester. Backquote. At the top, you'll find your assignment tracker, a simple but smart way to log every task, set due dates, track progress, and never miss a deadline again. Just below that is your study planner, where you can schedule focused study blocks by day and time, set clear goals for each session, and build consistency into your routine. Then comes one of the most useful features, the built-in GPA Calculator. Simply enter your courses, credits, and grades, and it instantly calculates your current GPA, so you always know where you stand. As you scroll further, you'll see helpful extras, a daily motivational quote, quick links to study resources, practical study tips, and a progress summary that shows how much you've accomplished each week. Everything is designed to keep you focused, reduce stress, and help you make steady progress, not just survive the semester, but thrive in it. And like all our templates, it's fully customizable, so you can make it work exactly how you need. If you're serious about taking control of your academic life, this is the tool to start with. Now, let me walk you through the Student Success Organizer. Backquote. And that's everything. You've now seen how to use every part of your student success organizer, from scheduling assignments to calculating GPA and tips for success. But here's the best part. You're not alone. Whether it's setting up a database or figuring out how to link tasks. Inside the template, there's a full help and support section with step-by-step guides, answers to common questions, quick troubleshooting tips, and even a direct contact form so you can reach out for personal help whenever you need it. This isn't just a tool, it's your academic partner, built to grow with you. Grab the template, start today, and let's make this semester your most organized, productive one yet. If you love this planner, you'll want to check out even more learning-focused tools like IELTS prep kits, vocabulary builders, and skill-based planners, all designed to help you learn smarter. Visit sparkskych.com/shop/learning-education. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more Notion templates and productivity hacks, and hit the bell so you never miss a new release. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, I read every one. Now go out there and own your academic journey.